it was an international program, so we had people from all over the world there. So being able to see the perspectives on alcohol from different countries, being able to see their social norms, really had a big impact. There we learned a lot of ways to really solidify our project, things we needed, such as the supports you needed, where you could get them, as well as things like evaluation so that the next time you can do them better. So just different ways to really make the project not an idea, but a solid project that you can work on.
When I first saw the opportunity being advertised, I was drawn to the idea of kind of exploring alcohol harm reduction, specifically on campus. I'm going to be working with student housing services and student wellness services to look at the campus alcohol recovery room, or the CAR, which is a space where it's a non-judgmental, non-medical, safe space where students can go to recover from intoxication. And I think my experience at Summer LEAHP kind of built interest in a project like this because it's really going back to that idea of evaluating and monitoring something that's already in place on campus. So instead of adding another initiative to the programs that are already being offered, we're really looking at the great things that we're doing on campus and seeing how we can strengthen them and improve them.
I found it to be really inspiring and beneficial, both from a professional standpoint and just from gaining knowledge around alcohol consumption around the world and prevention tools that we can use and implement to help with programs and development of various methods to help reduce the harms. And it was really interesting to learn about it from different cultures. The top kind of concept that I would say I took from Summer LEAHP was the do's and don'ts of prevention, and how important it was to really ensure that we're using correct methods that have shown to be effective in research. So normative education, framing with language correctly, and ensuring that we have skill sets that people can take from the prevention and the tools that we're giving them. So I would say that it definitely helped me in terms of being able to fully frame a proposal to present to my University of Calgary campus, and then as well specific tools to use and implement to ensure that the project was going to be effective and beneficial to individuals that saw it.
I learned so much at Summer LEAHP. I learned a variety of perspectives, kind of like just the people, the problems they faced kind of allowed me to see a different reality and kind of shift my perspective in tackling problems that I hadn't really thought were fixable. I've learned so much about like the alcohol harm reduction aspect, how to plan for different interventions, how to build from different approaches using statistics. I think the people was the most phenomenal part of it.